Welcome back. In this mini lecture, we will look at different principles of service design. What are the prerequisites of service design? These include defined roles, competency to develop user interfaces, competency to harmonize and simplify processes, to have the support of the management, have a sufficient budget, and having the actual need for e-services. There are also a number of stakeholders or agents available who are involved in the process. These are the service owner, channel owner, business analyst, designer, IT person, usability analyst, and of course user, without whom the design process would be incomplete. The process consists of different iterative steps. Firstly, research and document, where the needs, goals, and real necessities of the service stakeholders are addressed. Research should cover the functional goals of the organization and the public, the current situation together with its limitations, the agents and stakeholders involved, but also the legal framework. The next step is brainstorming, which involves the different related stakeholders. Then is the wireframe stage, which by using the input from the brainstorming session allows to draw the page schematic, blueprint or visual guide that represents the framework of the service. To arrange different elements to best accomplish the purpose of the service. Then the information gathered from the previous steps allow the design stage to start. Here a prototype is developed. Developing the functionalities and content means that substance is added to the service environment. And lastly, the service is deployed to the organization's online environment. This approach has been used by the service design bureau Giraffe, whose report can be found in the course's online environment. There are also a number of techniques available for carrying out service design. Stakeholder maps, service safaris, shadowing, customer journey maps, contextual interviews, the 5 whys, cultural probes, mobile ethnography, a day in the life, personas, idea generation, what if, design, scenarios, storyboards, service prototypes, service staging, agile development, co-creation, storytelling, customer lifecycle maps, business model canvas. All these techniques are described thoroughly in additional reading in the online learning environment. During the whole design period, stakeholders need to keep in mind the good e-service principles, both on the organization's and the public's point of view. Both the service and channel owners need to actively contribute into the design process. Prerequisites need to be filled to design good e-services. Researching and documenting the current situation helps define ideas and needs. Furthermore, IT people should be included in the design process and in the brainstorming sessions. The best results are achieved by analyzing and simplifying, but at the same time, the diverse nature of user experience and usability testing needs to be considered. Brainstorm, wireframe, and usability testing need to be carried out several times to ensure that the best possible idea is found. User feedback is needed after the design phase. Timelines must be kept and experienced partners are a must. There can also be a number of risks involved, such as legal risks, for example, changing acts, fees and laws, organizational risks such as strategy and work plan related, or even launching a faulty version of the service. There can be usability related risks and concerns expectations and skills, budget and resource related risks, and lastly, planning and cooperation related risks. But thank you for listening and stay tuned for the next mini lectures.